Sir, can you able to hear me? Any last questions? Do you have work from home, sir? Why you want work from home, sir? Come to office and work, no? Why you want work from home? Sir, see, I can avoid traffic. I can relax and work at home. And if I work well, I will get good hike also, no, sir. Sir, I would like to come to office and work, sir. Huh? Come to office and work, Why, pa? You always wanted to work from home, no? You can relax and work. You can avoid traffic. In 7 months, I have not gone out even once, sir. I would like to travel to somewhere, sir. Please, sir.
ರೀ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
In office, I can peacefully work, sir. You will get a very nice hike. What happened? I already got hike, sir.
Oh, you already got hike, huh?
See? Electricity bill, hike. Water bill, hike. Gas bill, hike. Internet bill, hike. Everything is hike, sir. Hello? Sir, now can you able to hear me, sir? Yeah. I'm working on it as we speak. Yeah. Yes, I'm working on it as we speak. I'm working on it as we speak. I'm working on it as we speak. Yes, I'm working on it as we speak. I'm working on it as we speak.
Yes, I'm working on it as we speak.
I'm working on it as we speak. Yeah, I'm working on it as we speak. I'm working on it as we speak.
Sir, can you able to hear me, sir? ಮನೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತರಕಾರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ. ಮನೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
We really need to record this meeting. I'm sure nobody will go through the recording.
ಲೋ, ಚೂರು ಹಾಲು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ?
We need to have the same commitment and dedication to ensure that the project reaches its milestone.
ಲೋ, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಪಲ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ?
And dedication. So, like I was saying,
ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರೋ.
dedication is the most important thing.
ಬಂದೆ ಇರಮ್ಮ.
ಲೋ, ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರೋ.
We need to have the same
ಬಂದೆ
commitment and
ಇರಮ್ಮ,
dedication
ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
to ensure that
ಒಂದು
the
ನಿಮಿಷ
project
ಇರು.
reaches its milestone. So,
So,
the two most
ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ
important
ಬಾರೋ.
things, like I always say, is commitment and dedication.
ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು? ಇರಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇನು ನಿನ್ ಕೆಲಸ? ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಅವನೇನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇದು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬೇಡ ಏನ್ ಬರ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ?
I think we can have this call later.
Sir, but what about commitment and dedication, sir?
You just please finish all your other commitments.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you able to hear me, sir? Sir, can you able to hear me, sir?
Go Corona! Go Corona! Corona go! Corona go! Go Corona! Go Corona!
We were getting ready to win this election. Frankly, we did win this election.
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ನಮ್ದೆ.
ಈ ಸಲ ಬೋನಸ್ ನಮ್ದೇ.
ದಸರಾಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ 1500 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೇ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೋನಸ್ ಅಂತೆ ಇವ್ರು ಪಿಂಡ.
Sir, you are able to hear me, sir? Sir, can you able to hear me, sir? Yes, sir. When looking into the concept board, it became really clear to me that we have to be more sophisticated in our approach to really, solve this problem. Sir, just hold on. I'm getting a call. Yeah. ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಟಾರ್ಚರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓ ನೋ ಸರ್, Actually, no. I was talking to someone else, not about you, sir. Of course, sir. It wasn't about you. Actually, hello, sir. Are you there? Hello, sir. Can you able to hear me, sir? Sir.
Oh, sorry, pa. I was able to hear you from beginning only. I was on mute. Sorry.